Hello there, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I'd like to share with you some SEO content writing tips for the brand new year, 2021. Now, in this video, what I want to do is I would want to show you two great examples. One for an affiliate play, and then two for you local guys. I want to show you both. But first, let me go ahead and explain exactly what are supporting articles. So supporting articles are absolutely phenomenal for your SEO content writing. And the reason being is because at the top level, right? If we have a top level query, our top level query is generally going to be a high commercial intent keyword. So high commercial would be, let's say top level is going to be best pillows, all right? Or buy pillows. Generally, if you search buy pillows, you'll get best reviews. If you search best, you'll also be able to buy, right? So this is high commercial intent. So when we're talking about a supporting article would also be the different types of brands. And then inside of the brands, this is where we would talk about other types of models. Then you could do supporting articles. It could be the top 10, these brands. It could be the top 10 that are below $50. You get what I mean? You have a high commercial intent keyword. This is going to be your top level keyword. This is also going to probably be the page that you want to rank. And if you're doing SEO, you'll want to send links to, right? This is the highest conversion. However, when we're talking about generating a lot of keywords and more traffic, then informational content, where we're giving answers to specific questions, answering a lot of questions, we're supporting the main idea. What's the best pillows? Then we can talk about brands. Then we can talk about fabric. You see, you have a main idea, commercial, and then you support it with informational content. This is generally going to be the concept because I get this question a lot about supporting articles or supporting content. So let me go ahead and show you two examples. Again, one affiliate, one also local, but this will give you a visual understanding of exactly what I'm talking about. So let me go ahead and show you these great examples. So if we take a look over here at goodhousekeeping.com. Good Housekeeping is a very large site. Now, as you can see, if we take a look at their URL structure, you see there's their main website. It's appliances, right? Now, that's generally not going to be the top level, but top level is going to be Blender reviews. So then the Blender reviews are supported by, here's the 10 best blenders you can buy according to kitchen appliance experts. This is a supporting article. People are looking for Blender reviews. It's a high commercial intent keyword. You see? And even better so, people are looking for appliances. Within appliances, they're looking for blenders. They're looking for appliances. So we're supporting the appliances, but right now we're talking about blenders. So stick with me. So inside of here, then there's the 8 best personal blenders for single serve smoothies. Right? This is supporting content, right? It's got buyer intent and it's supporting Blender reviews. So if I click on this, I guarantee you, yep, look it. It keeps it within the structure. People are looking for reviews. Here's the best Blender reviews. These are going to be the best of 2020. Now, if we go back and we click on another one, I guarantee you it always keeps the structure. Let's go back one more time. We're looking at the reviews. Now look it. We're talking about appliances. We're in Blender reviews. We're going over the different types of brands. As you can see, here's a Vitamax blender. You could, for a gift, this is supporting content to the Blender reviews. Blender reviews is a high commercial intent keyword. Let's talk about local now. All right. I hope this walks you through it, right? Supporting articles. This is what I mean when I'm talking about supporting content. It supports the main idea. Generally, high commercial intent, and then we have our informational content with some intent, but of course we're interlinking all of our articles all throughout. One leads to another, the other one leads to this one. You can get really crazy, but I really just want to nail this home for you. Supporting content, commercial, informational. Right? It's as simple as that. Let's look at the diagram real quick here because I want to make sure everybody gets it. Let's just take away all of this stuff, right? Let's take away the pillows. I just want to make sure that you get it because I've been asked numerous times and I want you guys to succeed in 2021. Let's just look at it this way. Let's take away the keyword. Let's just put, how about this? Commercial intent, right? Commercial intent, keyword. So keyword, okay? This is our top level. This is also where we're going to send our links. Not 1,000, not 1,000,000, 1 or 2 high quality links into our commercial intent keyword. This is the page that we want to rank. Within here, we're going to talk about information. All right, so this is information to support the main idea. The main idea is blenders. Then we're going to talk about brands. We're also going to talk about price. We're going to talk about whatever supports the main idea. Let's look at a local query. So if we take a look here at Len, Len's got it going on here. He offers emergency service. He could also do a small affiliate play within a local market, which is definitely a feasible task if you're getting enough traffic. But I want you to take a look here. If we take a look at Len, Len is doing service, I don't even know where. Let's look down bottom. He's doing it in Baltimore, in Washington, Northern Virginia, and PA. But if you take a look here, I bet you it's these ones. Let me see here. So emergency service. All right, so there we go. Here we go. So he has, I want you to take a look at the URL structure. So Len is a plumber. And then what does the plumber do? If you take a look down in the bottom left corner, it's the URL. He's showing us he's plumbing, and the supporting content, if you take a look, is, look at cracked and leaky pipe repair. The URL structure says plumbing/water pipes. If you take a look here, it's plumbing/wall ceiling leaks. Wall ceiling leaks is the supporting content to the plumbing. His top level page is the plumbing. It's probably got a form. He's trying to get people in to call him. That's what Len wants, right? To support that content, to support his high commercial intent content, he's making supporting articles talking about the different services that Len provides. This is supporting content, all right? So my name is Chris Palmer. If you have any further questions, I mean anything, it doesn't matter. If I can help you, I most certainly would love to. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. I will answer every single question as long as it's not derogatory. Reach out to me. I'm always happy to help. And I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO content writing tips in 2021 video. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one.